Okay, Omar, let's speak for a while because it's our English language class. As I told you, in English language classes, we gotta be speaking English and we gotta listen to others speaking English. So, English language classes speaking করাটা খুবই important English. I mean, you gotta stay in touch with English. সারা জীবন বাংলার মধ্যে থাকলে no use. Okay, in every class first we try to learn words. আমরা কিছু ওয়ার্ড শেখার চেষ্টা করি। প্রথমে মিনিংগুলো বার করি and then we try to use these words in sentences পরে সেই ওয়ার্ডগুলো আমরা সেন্টেন্স ইউজ করি। সেটাও আমরা আজকে করলাম, 10টা ওয়ার্ড শেখা হলো। And then after that we practice. No, I mean it was all about structured practice. আজকে আমরা past continuous tense এ বাক্য তৈরি করে প্রশ্ন করলাম, উত্তর দিলাম। And in future we'll have other classes like this. Now the fourth stage, the last stage is all about speaking. So we gotta speak English now. All right? Kichu bhul korba, no, don't worry about it. Okay, keep on speaking like that. Right? All right, let's start. Omar, how are you today?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you. So this is our 5th class. We're done with that. Now, what's your plan? The class is over, so almost over. So what's your plan? What do you do after that?
I will watch TV after the class.
Okay, good. What will you watch on TV? Is there anything
I will
interesting on TV?
I will watch IPL on TV.
Oh, IPL. Okay, that's good. I mean, how many matches are there today? How many IPL matches
There's
are there?
only one match, single
Only
match.
one match. Okay. So do you have a favorite team there in IPL this time?
It's Sunrisers Hyderabad.
Okay. Who's the captain there?
Captain is David Warner.
Oh, Warner. Yes. Devastating at times. All right. I heard, I mean, Saqib came back to Bangladesh. Is it true? I mean, he came back to Bangladesh or no, he's banned, no, has
Yeah,
been
he's
lifted.
Bangladesh. He's in Bangladesh.
Okay, he's back. Okay, he's back. Now, he was banned for how many years? Only 1 year, huh?
Yeah, only 1 year.
Only 1 year. Now the ban has been lifted. So, do you know anything about Saqib playing in IPL? I mean, will he play in IPL this time? Do you have any idea about that?
No, I don't think so. He will play in IPL because in
Yes.
IPL there are only left 7 matches. So
Oh, I see.
don't
Only
think
7
so.
matches left. No, I don't watch IPL. Even I don't watch TV either. Anyway, so Saqib, it's bad for him. Anyway, still he's young, but he's been out of cricket for 1 whole year. So maybe let's see. He will play even better. What do you think? Saqib this time after coming out of his ban, he will play even better. What do you think? What's your take on that?
I think so. He will get better.
Okay, that would be much better for us. Bangladesh, needs his service. He's still young. Let's hope he will play even better. Anyway, so Omar, today the class is over. The things we have covered, you gotta go to the things again in your free time. And I teach your, parents as well, your mother, your father at Target. So, I mean, you gotta speak with your parents as well at home. আমি বারবার বলি যে ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাসে সারা জীবন যদি ইংলিশ না বলে বাংলা বলি, বাংলা শুনি, বাংলা পড়ি, বাংলা লিখি, লাইফে ইংলিশের উন্নতি হবে না। If you really want to learn English for effective communication in real life situations, you gotta stay in an English speaking environment. Our English speaking environment means, you gotta have a teacher who can speak English fluently, accurately with standard pronunciation. Or যদি বাংলাদেশে English teacher হয়, that would be an advantage because if you need any clarification or explanation, he or she can explain the things in Bangla. Anyway, so Omar, try to create an environment at home. Try to speak with your parents as well. Try to speak in English. All right?
Okay.
What about your parents? They're interested? They speak in English with you? Do they speak in English at home? At times at least?
Yeah, they try to speak English.
Okay, so you should encourage them as well. Okay, that's the best thing you can do at home. All right, you look sleepy, you look tired. Yes, it's been a long class, 1.5 hours, but a lot of time anyway. So you just go relax, take a glass of water if possible, then watch IPL. Okay, thank you, Omar. Assalamu alaikum.
You're welcome. Walaikum.